All right, guys, we are getting our new generator going here. And for those of you that are buying a new one of these, a quick little tip. First, put oil in it. That's an obvious thing. Put nice clean gas in it. And for this Honda EU3000, it has an electric start. You're going to want to take the 4, some people call them acorn nuts. Come on, focus. There we go. 4 acorn nuts off of there. You got 1, 2, 3, and 4 on this the electric side. All right, then it'll just pop right off after you take those acorn nuts off. You got the battery down here. It is disconnected for transport. It comes with a couple bolts, couple nuts. They were taped right underneath this rubber strap there. So all you're going to do is take the nuts out of the pack, slip them right into there on each side. Go ahead and slip those things through the bolts and screw them down into the nuts, and you should be good. Obviously, let's remember black goes on negative. There's a little sign right there. And red goes on positive. There's a sign right there and down there. So, hook up the battery, and we're good to go. All right, I got my cover back on. I've hooked up the battery, and I should have mentioned before that this is 10 millimeter. It's nice to have a deep well socket because you can use that to get it started and to take it off. So deep well socket, 10 millimeter. Also the battery down in this corner that I just hooked up, the nuts and the bolt head, which you don't need to worry about the nuts, but the bolt head is also 10 millimeter. So that's the only tool you'll need for this job. So the fuel is on. We do have a little bit of gas in it. I haven't filled it up all the way, but enough to show some gas in there, just to make sure everything works good and runs properly. I like this one. It's got these little rubber flaps over that, just for weather seal, you know, if it's not being used. So let's go ahead and give this puppy its test run here. First time it's got gas in it, so it probably needs a little more. There we go. There I've got the eco throttle on. That eco throttle on this thing, guys, is so economical. Hence the eco word. We love this generator. This is not a sponsored post. It's just something that we use out here on a daily basis, living our life off grid in remote Alaska. And it's a lifesaver for us. And this Honda EU3000 is one of the best on the market for this size. So you're going to pay a little bit more for it, but you do get what you pay for. You're going to be happy with it. If you try this one, you won't be sorry.
Bramante Brothers.